Hey viewers, Michael Warren here from Essential Guitar Lessons, and let's learn how to play It's Too Late by Carole King. So for our intro, we're going to start on our A minor 7. We're going to do a down, down, mute, up. So that's the pattern we're using for that A minor 7, 1 bar, so down, down, mute, up. Then we're going to go to our D6 and we're going to do a down, up, down. So A minor 7. Down, up, down. Then we're going to put this little fill in. We're going to do the open D string, hammer onto the 2nd fret. G string, play the 2nd fret 3 times. On the 3rd time, pull off to the open and then play the 2nd fret on the D string again. So slowly. And up to speed. So let me put those two chords together slowly with that little fill. So. Again. And let's do that up to speed there. Now if you don't want to put that little fill in, you can just stay on the D6 there for a bar. So the D6 plays for a bar as well as the A minor 7s. So you can just do a down, up, mute, down, up on the D6 there if you're not putting that fill in. So. And with the fill one more time, we do this 2 times for the intro. And from there we go into our verse and it does the same again, another 2 more times. The A minor 7 for a bar, the D6 for a bar, with the fill or without it, that's up to you. And again. Then we do the A minor 7 again. Then we go to our G minor 7 and we're going to do this for a bar, but we're going to go up. So from the A minor 7, and then to our F major 7, and we're going to do a down, mute, up, down, mute, up, down, up, down. So, sorry, up, down, up at the end there. So let me put that verse up to speed for you 2 times on the A minor 7, the D6 there. So. That's our verse there. Now we go into our first chorus and we have our B flat major 7, and you could just do this with our down, down, up, down, up for a bar, and then our F major 7 for a bar, down, down, up, down, up. And we do that 3 times. Now this is quite an easy change. While we're on our B flat major 7, we can leave our 3rd and 2nd finger down and go straight to the F major 7, so it's quite an easy change there, and going back's the same. So let's play that 3 times now. This is the first chorus, start of it. Then we go to a D minor 7 for a bar. Then we're going to go to our E sus4 and do a down, down, up, so half a bar. And E7, same half a bar. So let me play that first chorus for you so you can hear how it comes together. From there we just go back to our intro, our A minor 7 to D6 with the fill. We do our verse again exactly the same. Now our second chorus changes a little bit here. The start part's going to be the same from our B flat major 7 a bar, F major 7 a bar. We do that again, so we do that 3 times. F major 7. One more time, B flat major 7, F major 7, D minor 7 for a bar. Now this time we're going to a G sus4, we're doing our down, down, and our G7. Then from there we're going to a C major 7 for a bar, F major 7 to a bar, our B flat major 7 for a bar, our A minor 7 for a bar, G minor 7 for a bar, F major 7 for a bar, D minor 7 for a bar, and E7 for a bar there. So that's our second chorus. Let me play that for you. I'll just do the B flat major 7 and the F major 7 once there, and then we'll join all the rest of it together. That's our second chorus, so it changes a little bit compared to our first chorus. So for our solo we're playing A minor 7, D6, and we're doing that 8 times, a bar on each. So we're just strumming these ones. So our D6, and we do that 8 times. And then we go back to our intro, our A minor 7, D6 with the fill. We do that 2 times now, and that's the end of the solo. And that ends the solo off there. So then from the solo we go straight to the verse again, and that's exactly the same. And then we go to our third chorus, so let's run over that now. So the third chorus is nearly going to be exactly the same as our second chorus. We do our B flat major 7 for a bar, our F major 7 for a bar, and we do that another 2 more times, F major 7, and again B flat major 7, F major 7, D minor 7 for a bar, G sus4 half a bar, G7 half a bar. Now this part's all the same except for the last 2 chords. We have our C major 7 for a bar, F major 7 for a bar, B flat major 7 for a bar, A minor 7 for a bar, G minor 7 bar, F major 7 a bar, D minor 7 for a bar, and then we just finish with our G sus4 back to our G7 half a bar each there. So that's the only difference in that third chorus. We're going back to the G sus4 and the G7. Then our outro, we're going to do C major 7 for a bar, F major 7 for a bar, do that again, C major 7 for a bar, F major 7 for a bar, and then our last one we're going to finish on the C major 7 and so down, you up, down, you up, down, up, and finish there. So let me now play that outro for you with the ending on the C major 7. And the C major. So that gives you all the parts to the song. There's a few tricky parts, our intro with a little fill in there. And again, you don't have to put that in if you don't want to. Sounds more like the song, I reckon. You can recognise it straight away as soon as you put that fill in. And there's a few tricky chords there, going from that B flat major 7 back to the F major 7, just remember you don't have to move your third or your second finger there. And there is a lot of chords in that chorus with the C major 7, F major 7 there. So have fun with that. Now let's tackle the solo. So for our solo, we're going to start on the 2nd fret on the G string, then play the 4th fret, and then start with the bend, and we want to release it. So we're not bending up, we're just doing the release. So, and then 2, 4 on the G, 5 on the B, 7 on the G. So we play that for you now, it's not too hard. And then from there we play the 7 on the G again, 5 on the B, 7 on the B, we do a bend on the B, and then do a release on that 7 on the B. So, and then 5, hammer onto 7 on the B, and 7 on the G, 5B, 5G, 7 on the G, and then we're going to do a bend and release on the 7 on the G. So it's like a big vibrato almost, but we want a little bit more than that. So then from there we go 4 on the G, 5 on the G, and then do a bend on the 5. So, and then 4, 5, 4 on the G, and then bend again on the 5, and then do that again, 4, 5, 4, 5, and then 4 on the G, do a release on the 5 on the B, 3rd fret on the B, 5 on the G, 4 on the G, and then 4, 5, 4, hammer on, pull off. So let me play that whole thing for you slowly, it's not too hard. Let's do that one more time, up to speed there. And that's a solo there, nothing too hard. Can be a little bit tricky if you're not used to doing the releases. So we're starting up on the bend, we're not playing up, we're starting with the bend up and letting it come back down again. And the last bit can be a little bit tricky as well. But a good little solo and not too hard. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you soon.